So you want to create a thumbnail for a YouTube video, but maybe you don't want to pay for Photoshop or Canva or something like that. Well, guess what? You don't need it. We can just use Nano Banana right here on Gemini.google.com. Use that AI to create a thumbnail for us, a viral image that will get tons of clicks. So first up, you may want to grab some thumbnails from your video. Pretty much every video editor has a way to grab a thumbnail from your video. Now, if you don't know how to do that or whatever, you can always download VLC and then just play your video, find the frame that you want to use, for your image, come here to video and choose take snapshot. And then you'll have a snapshot from your video. You may even want to get a few different snapshots from your video to use. So let's do this here. I'm going to use maybe a couple different images here. I'm just going to grab this image here. Let's say I'm doing a video about this Resize protein powder, right? I'm not quite sure exactly what I want. So I'm just going to grab a couple of these. I got the cutout can right there. So I'll put those two there. Then I'll just type in, I need a thumbnail for a YouTube video about the Cellucor C4 whey protein powder, Reese's peanut butter and chocolate flavor. Then of course we could, add different styles if we want. We could say, make it a viral image, make it interesting, etc., etc. Just, put whatever you want in there. You can always do this 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 times to get exactly what you want. Then we just hit submit. Sit back and wait for the AI to design the thumbnail for us. And there we go. It only took about 60 seconds or so. So there's a pretty cool looking thumbnail right there. Now, if you don't like it, you can always come back up here and we can edit that prompt. We could come down here and we could iterate this and say, try a different style, totally change it. Try this again. And boom, there we go. Look at that. Pretty awesome, right? I mean, that looks like a pretty cool looking thumbnail. Of course, if I wanted to add text to it, I could say, add text saying how amazing it tastes. Of course, I could maybe put some quotes in there and say exactly what I want to say, but let's just see what it comes up with here. Boom, and there you go. Look at that. Very clickable, viral looking thumbnail that will get you more views. Super simple, super easy right here with Nano Banana, or just, you can call it Gemini if you wish. Let's do this one more time here. So let's say I don't really have a lot of assets, a lot of different clips from a video that I'm going to use. Maybe I just have maybe a picture of myself or a picture of the subject of the video. So we'll just grab this image here and we'll say, I need a thumbnail image for a YouTube video about traveling to Japan and having lots of fun. Make the image very expressive and clickable. Of course, add anything else that you want in there. Click submit. It will integrate our person into the thumbnail. And there it is. Look at that, man. It even changed the pose. It changed everything about it to make that look really awesome and very clickable, much more viral looking than maybe, again, if you don't know how to create a thumbnail or make something look really, really good that people want to click on, you can use Nano Banana to create these things for you. I could even come in here and say, change her coat from yellow to red. And boom, there we go. Now we have her coat at red. New pose from the original image. Looks great. We can just download that and use it as our YouTube thumbnail. That quick and easy, folks, here with Nano Banana. But of course, we don't necessarily have to have assets first. Of course, you can always just say, describe your video, for example. I need an image for a YouTube thumbnail. The video is about how to make viral images using Nano Banana to create awesome, viral, interesting YouTube thumbnails, quick and easy. Let's check out what it gives us. And boom, man, when you look at that, that looks pretty cool. It gave us a couple different versions here. Look at that. Nano Banana has like thumbnail design, viral thumbnail in minutes, Nano Banana secret. That is pretty cool. Did all of that. And then a more animated version here. Of course, you can come in here and iterate this. You can say, tell it to make it more modern, make it anime, say, make an anime version. Try that. And there we go. So there's our anime version. Of course, you can iterate this, make a bunch of different types, but let's say I really like this one here. Just download that. And then we have a really cool thumbnail that we can upload. We don't have to spend hours and hours designing or purchasing, Photoshop for hundreds or thousands of dollars or paying a subscription to Photoshop or to Canva, etc., etc. Have Nano Banana do that for you. Now, I'll leave you one last little tip here before we go. Whenever you download the image from Nano Banana, it's going to have that little Gemini watermark right there. So in this case, it doesn't really bother me. I could always put my own logo over that. But if you want to remove that very quickly, there is an extension called Banana Peel, or Peel Banana actually, over here at the Chrome Web Store. So just head over to the Chrome Web Store, download that extension. It's 100% free. And then what we can do is come up here to our extensions, go to Peel Banana. I can grab that image, drop it right here, come right down there. We just say peel all. You can also do these in batches if you want. Then we choose download, and it gives me the peeled version, or the version without that watermark. As you can see, that watermark is now 100% gone. It's over here in the official Chrome web store. Be sure to check that out if you like to use Nano Banana in Gemini to generate your YouTube thumbnails. But there it is, folks. Quick and easy way to generate your thumbnails using Nano Banana.